Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply glasses to your selfies on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the picture you want to edit, and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the glasses section or category. Click on it, and here you can see that only one filter is available to all of the users of the application, and the other ones can be unlocked by purchasing or going premium. So tap on the glasses filter, and in a few seconds your photo will be processed. By clicking on the contrast button on the right side of the screen, you can see the contrast between the original and the produced picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.